there, it's Diggs08 with my very first Gemini Jets airport review, and this is going to be on European aircraft. Now, before anybody says anything, yes, I am Scottish. If you can't understand, just leave a comment and I'll translate or type anything that you need. First off, it's the new Gemini Jets airport. It's alright. Would have preferred to have the old one, but it still lights up as per the older one. The older one's a lot bigger, has more stands. This one only has 7 stands, but it does have a passenger car park and a drawbridge type thing to take people up to departures. Oh, also has a runway, as you would expect at any airport. And in the distance I have my control tower and hangar. Now, first off, I'm going to start off with British European, which is the Flybe BAe. Can't remember the exact type. Anyhow, sure you've seen them before. That's that. Not my favourite model. It does tend to flop down at the back, but it's still rather nice. Second off, probably Europe's biggest airline has to be easyJet. This is the Boeing 737, probably the most expensive model that I've bought, as it has bigger Gatwick down the side. This is also the airline that I am cabin crew for, but I'm not trained on the 737 as we don't have many left. I am trained on the Airbus A319. This is a Aviation 400 model, or is it? No, it's Aeroclassics green box. All my models are on 1/400 scale. I'm trained to fly in this aircraft and the Airbus A320. It has the reg GEZEJ. That aircraft is based at Gatwick and I've flown in it a few times. Last easyJet that I have is another A319. This one's a Dragon Wings. Wouldn't say it's as nice as the Aeroclassics one. But anyhow, next up, Jet2 B757 200. It's all silver. And as a registration mark, Golf Lima Sierra Alpha Alpha. Can't. Monarch Airbus A330 200. Here we have Turkish Airlines 737 800, or is it 900, with the official Barcelona sponsorship on the back. And just up here we have Turkish Airlines again, 737 800 with Manchester United official sponsorings on the back. This is probably my favorite, one of my favourite aircraft, as that is my football team. 757 200 Fly Globespan. This is a custom model, bought off eBay. It used to be an old Air Tours 2000 757. It's custom made. Well done, I would say. Same flag globe, so I went bust. This is the 757 300 Thomas Cook Condor. It's the longest 757, and it is also the longest single aisle passenger plane in the world, the 757 300. It's got a German registration. It's rather nice. Moving on, we have Berlin A330 300. Beautiful aircraft. Again, German registration is Delta Alpha Echo Foxtrot Sierra, I think. Can't make out from where I'm standing. This is the Lufthansa 380. This is a Phoenix model. It's light compared to the Gemini 380s. It's probably one of the nicer 380s that are flying around. Has all the little details. Try and make that a bit clearer. There we go. And then last up is 737 800 KLM SkyTeam. Realised model, has winglets. It's all SkyTeam decals, apart from the KLM badge just below the windows there. KLM is now part of Air France. I don't have any Air France models. Don't know if I'm going to get any. But this is the conclusion of the video. This is all my European airlines minus British Airways and Virgin Atlantic. I'll be doing a video on them in the near future. Please rate, comment, favourite, subscribe, etc, etc. Usual YouTube malarkey. If you want an in-depth video on any of the aircraft, leave a comment or private message. I'll upload one just for you. If you'd like to know any of the registration for the aircraft, PM me or comment and I'll let you know. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it and please be nice. It was my first video. Thank you. Bye bye.